Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. As you all know, in this channel we do a pure technical analysis on US indexes and stocks as well as Indian indexes and Indian stock market. Today's video will be more interesting as we are going to do a technical analysis on cryptocurrencies. So let's go to the trading view and start doing analysis on some of the cryptocurrencies. So now today in this list, I'm having almost 13 to 14 cryptocurrencies where I am feeling that they are going to give some breakouts and we can get good profit out of it. So now this list is sorted by let's sort this list by symbol. Okay. So now I have sorted this list with the symbols in the ascending order. Okay. So the first stock is first crypto now. First cryptocurrency is audio, right? Now, if you see the chart of this currency, it made the high of $5 in April 2021. Then it corrected back till 0.60 cents. And now again, it is trying to give some pullback. So if you see here on the day time frame, it is trying to trade in this favorite triangle pattern. And I feel that once this currency starts trading above this trend line resistance, definitely it is going to give a good upside. If you see here on 18th November, it gave a breakout, but not on the daily time frame. And see, it made the high of $4 and it came back towards $2.30. So if you see here, I have added the alert on this trend line and I'm looking for this price also on the horizontal time frame. So this means once when this currency starts trading above 2.8, I will be getting alert because I have added the alert on the trend line resistance line. Now I have drawn a horizontal resistance line also that is at 2.9, and now I'm adding an alert in front of you that's here per minute. So this says that once this stock starts trading in this currency, sorry, I'm saying stock, this currency start trading above 2.7, 2.772, I will be getting an alert. And after that, once it starts trading about 2.9, I will be getting the second alert. And this is the time I will be adding a position into this currency. And we want a breakout there, right? Means the candle should be something like that, like this. I am looking for this kind of breakout candle. Once I get this kind of breakout candle, okay, once, just a moment, okay, I'm looking for this breakout candle. If I get this breakout candle, definitely I will be adding the position for minimum target of 3.5 and the second target would be $4. Okay, 3.5 and 4. This will be my two targets for this currency. And where will be the stop loss? The stop loss will be the breakout candles low, means below this resistance line. Right? Suppose if my breakout candle is like this, then my stop loss should be placed below the trend line resistance line, means somewhere here, right? So I hope you understood the trade plan. The next currency we have is band. Okay. Now if you see here, band was holding very well this support trend line here, then second here, third here, and then fourth it broke the trend line. Okay, now it is trying to come back here, right? So when we will add the position for this crypto, so I am looking for, once this starts trading like this, now it is, just a moment, now this, now once it comes back into this triangle pattern and starts trading about this, right, and break this 10.71, then I will be adding the position. And again the pattern is the same, right? We will be working on only this kind of breakout candle. So once it break out like this, then definitely I will add the position here, right, around 10.7 or $11, and I will write this position for at least $14. This would be my target, right? If you see here, I have added alert also on this horizontal resistance line. Once this currency starts trading about 10.71, I will get the alert, and I will see what kind of candle it has formed, and then I will take my decision to add the position, right? At this point of time, you can see the volume is also rising here, and RSI is also picking up. But I will not add the position now. I will add only once it gives the breakout above this line. Now the next currency we have is Binance. So Binance, you can see on the day time frame, it has a very good trend line. 2 days back, it tested its support and gave a good bounce back. You can see here, and now it is going up very well. But now it is not giving me a chance to add, because if I add now here, then it is quite risky for me, because we never know, it can come back and test this support again, and then it can go up. So either I will add the position once it comes back near this zone, right, and take a U-turn, or I will wait for it to cross its all-time high. So now, I mean, we need to wait for almost 150. Sorry, we need to wait almost for 50 points from here. Once it starts trading above 650, then we will think of taking position in this currency. See here. So I want this currency to cross 650 to 670 zone. Once it start crossing that, means it will try to break the all-time high, and then it will give a good upside from there, right? Because this is the first top, this is the second top. I hope you guys are understood the this chart. And now the next currency we have is our favorite currency, Bitcoin, right? So you can see here for the Bitcoin on the day time frame. Okay, so this is the daytime frame of the Bitcoin. Few days back, it was trading in this channel. It broke that channel, right? And after it broke the channel, it gave a second down move from here. Now, once we need to wait for this currency to come back into this channel, right? And where is this channel's low? The channel's low is here, 60,940, right? Once this currency starts trading above this, right? Let us add the alert also here, right? So what we are saying, once Yeah, now we can see the alert here. Once this currency starts trading above 60,000, uh, here 60,900 or 860, right? Then again, it says that this currency will start trying to go to the upside of this channel, right? This upside, right? So where will we should book the profit? If we enter into the position at 60,900, then the first target would be something around 63,000. Second target would be around 67,500. So this was about Bitcoin. The next chart we have here is BTT. Okay. For BTT, I will not add any position unless and until it start trading above 0.00415, right? Let me add alert here also. So friends, this alerts will definitely help you a lot. It helped me a lot in the past because we will not be in front of machine every time, but this alert will help us. It will give us the alert on the phone as well as on our email ID as well, and that will help us to take the position into the market. And next here we have is Dent. Dent also the same thing. I will wait unless and until it crosses this 0.0075. I have added alert here also, right? See, the idea is, this is the interesting thing about technical analysis. We need to be patient. We should have our trade plan handy, and once we see this kind of breakout candles, then we jump and take the position, and this help us to reduce our losses or minimal losses and maximum profits, because we are not hurrying in going into the trade, right? We are creating a trade plan and we are acting accordingly, and that will give us the returns on our efforts. The next we have is dot. For the dot also the same thing. You can see here it is holding the trend line support very well, and I have added alert here. Once it starts trading above $45, right, then I will try to take the position, right, for the target of 50 and 52. Those will be the minimum targets, right? See here, if it starts trading above $45, then first target would be somewhere around 47.5. You can see here, and the second target would be around $50, 49.5, right? So what is the idea here? We need to wait for it to break this $45 level, and then we will play for 47.5 and 49.5. The next we have is Ethereum. If you see Ethereum on the day chart, it took the first support here, and then it made a new top, and now it has came down till this point, and now it is trying to go from here. For me, the best point for the Ethereum to buy is something near around this zone, right? Because this zone is a confluence between the trend line support and the horizontal support. Now, what if it won't come down and it will just go up, right? Then if you see on the hourly chart here, see, if it crosses, right, 4340, then it can go towards the first target of 4422 and 4550, right? So I am not going to take any position at this point of time unless and until it comes to the support, because I am kind of conservative trader, right? I look for the best setup. For me, the best setup is here, right? But if you are holding the Ethereum and you want to know where you should book the profit, then you can watch for these two levels. The next crypto is Link. For the Link, you can see here, Link is also holding the trend line support very well, right? And right now, uh, I am not seeing any, special price action here. If you see last two candles, then these are creating the bull. These have created the bullish Harami pattern, and I think that unless and until it doesn't break this trend line, this horizontal or this low, right? These two candles low, high probability that Link can go back towards 32 and 36 levels. So somebody is a aggressive trader, he can take the position now and put the stop loss somewhere near let's say here, somewhere near the best point would be 24.5, right? And or somewhere below this area. This is the support area, right? Now this is the support area. So the high probability that it can go up like this, right? This is the first probability, or second probability that it can again come back to this support area, retest this support area, and comes back up, and then it gives the two targets. The next is Shiba. I took a trade yesterday in the Shiba, okay, but it didn't go well. You can see here why I took the trade in Shiba, because uh, you can see here it gave a big breakout candle here, and after that it consolidated. But if you see here, it is consolidating with the small candles, right? And I see that one day it will definitely charge up and go up, you know very well. So why I took the trade yesterday? Because I was doing analysis on the day time frame, and before the day got complete, right? uh, it was trading near around 0.0050, and you can see that time it was trying to trade above the trend line resistance, right? But before end of day, it managed to close below that, and that's why I exited from that position. But I am definitely going to add the position again, because when once it starts trading above 0.0050, and here I have added the alert as well. You can see once it starts trading above that and sustaining above that, then definitely this is going to give us a very good returns, okay? And those returns will be like, the first target I will be looking for 0.56, second would be 0.5, 0.62, right? And those targets are very big. You can see here, those targets are like, the first target is almost 12%, and the second target would be almost 25%, right? So I will wait for this formation, right? I will wait for the breakout. The next is TLM. So TLM, it looks very good right now on the chart. You can see here, it has given a very good breakout on the day candle. Volume is also spiking up, and this is definitely a buy now also. And it will give a very good upside once it starts trading above 0.3730. Right now also, one can take a position, by adding small quantities, but I will add more quantities once it starts trading above 0.37. Here I have added alert also. Right now it has given a breakout, very good breakout it has given. Okay. And if it holds it very well, this breakout, then definitely the first target it is showing as 0.3730. Okay. And you can see here 0.3730 means almost uh, from here you can see almost 10, 11, 12% upside from here, right? So but we will be adding more, right, once it starts trading above 0.7330. Okay. And why? The reason is, see, once it starts trading, because it has the previous highs here, right? These are the previous highs, right? So it will break that those, and when it break them, right, it will go up very fast, and definitely it can, the first target it will go towards, 0.434, right, and the second target is 0.51. So I will not be surprised that this currency will give us this target in, a very short time frame. Okay. So those targets would be almost from here, if you calculate, almost 50%, right? But friends, you should be aware this is the crypto world. The way they go up, the same way they go down also very fast. Okay. So, have a calculated risk, okay, and take your positions accordingly. And then last currency we have is Wink. Wink, I am not finding anything good at this point of time, but the interesting fact is it is holding the trend line support very well. It is, it is, it takes the rest on the trend line, then go up, take rest, go up, take rest, go up, take rest, and go up. Okay. So these are, these patterns are always, uh, shows us the healthy upside in the currency, right? There, there one can take the position, once it starts trading above, 0.83, right? And they can ride for almost, zero point 0.9 and 0.95. Okay. So this was it about all these cryptocurrencies, and try to take small positions, by doing this technical analysis, and you will see that you are going to get very good returns. And the most important or most interesting fact about cryptocurrencies is, cryptocurrency world is trading 24 by 7. So some of you, if you are doing your job and you are not finding time on weekdays, do your analysis on the weekends, take small position on the weekends, and you can get a good profit out of it. I hope today's video might help you to understand the cryptocurrencies, and to understand that yes, technical analysis work on cryptocurrencies as well. uh, i I understand that, or I know that this video, the length of this video will be big, but yes, uh, you will it will help you, because I did in-depth technical analysis of these cryptos, and definitely it will help you to take your trading and investing decisions in the crypto. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and families, right? So earn let's learn and earn together. Thank you.